Well, opening statements begin this morning in Hunter Biden's criminal trial in Delaware. He faces 3 felony charges related to a gun purchase in 2018. He's the first ever child of a sitting U.S. president to go on trial. Our Scott MacFarlane is at the federal courthouse in Wilmington, Delaware, following all of this for us. Scott, so tell us how things are expected to unfold today. What's on the agenda?
It's the special counsel David Weiss's team giving the opening statement as the morning begins, followed by Hunter Biden's defense team. And they could pivot to the first witness in this first ever trial of a president's child. It'll be an FBI special agent testifying about some of the text messages Hunter Biden sent during that pivotal period of October 2018. You'll recall these charges alleged by the special counsel are that Hunter Biden knowingly bought a gun in October 2018 while using drugs or addicted to drugs and didn't mark it on the required federal background form. He's also charged with possessing the gun while being a drug user or addict. He's pleaded not guilty, but you're going to have from prosecution here this week a number of witnesses who'll testify about the depths of Hunter Biden's addiction during that pivotal period when he actually bought the firearm.
So who are we likely to see on the witness stand then?
After the FBI special agent, the list includes Hunter Biden's ex-wife, Kathleen. It also includes the widow of his late brother, Beau, a woman with whom he also had a romantic relationship, Hallie Biden, both testifying at the prosecution's request and likely to go into some of the text messages exchanged with Hunter Biden. And with the discovery of that gun in October 2018 by Hallie Biden in Hunter Biden's car, according to the prosecutor's pretrial filings, Hallie Biden discarded the gun in a dumpster near a supermarket here in Wilmington, where it was later recovered. The text messages between Hunter Biden and Hallie and Hunter Biden and Kathleen are going to be federal evidence in this case. But the testimony, no matter how long it goes or when it starts, Anne Marie, it's almost certainly going to be embarrassing and humiliating for Hunter Biden.
Yeah, definitely. A lot of assorted details. What about the politics of this all? It's kind of hard to determine whether or not there could be any political repercussions. But what's the sense?
Now, Hunter Biden has been a target for House Republicans for 2 years now, but they've been focused on something different. They've alleged he's been trading off the family name to enrich himself, about his business dealings. He's denied those accusations. They haven't focused intently on this criminal case. But of course, it's not happening in a vacuum. We are 3 weeks till the first presidential debate, and we are 5 months until the election, and the president's son is on trial. And I'll note, as the morning began here in Wilmington, Anne Marie, the First Lady of the United States, Jill Biden, came here into the courthouse for the second day of what's likely to be about a 2-week trial.
Very interesting. Scott, thank you very much.